Hey everyone, welcome to a new unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro. So obviously got the Pro because of the extra cameras, wide angle. I do car reviews, so I'm actually doing this in my, on my desk. I also have a new GoPro 8, which I got as a bundle on a Black Friday deal. I'm gonna do that in a separate video unboxing. So if you want to see that, I'm gonna pop it in the top left corner. So you're gonna see that when it's done. So yeah, so this is the 250 gigabyte model, and let's unbox it. I'm gonna try doing it with one hand because I'm using my iPhone XS or 10s, same model like space gray and 250 6 gigabytes. Let's open this baby. So this is my Mac, and gonna be replacing it soon. This is the Retina 15-inch, great machine. So I'm thinking about the 16-inch as well. So let's do this. Yeah. So you pull the tab here. So I'm not going to wrap the whole thing because this is like the warranty thing in my country. So I don't know why they put it like that, but yeah, let's see if we can like do it like this. I think it's working. So easily, not to damage the box, but yeah. Okay, it's out. So I'm gonna save this plastic goes when you're selling your phone. At least that's what I like to do. So this is the box. Let's turn it around a little bit. So it's kind of dark. I know I don't have that good lighting, but I like the box. It's like dark. It feels powerful. Now you can see the Apple logo on the side. Now, okay, I think, yeah, so you can see the iPhone over there and the Apple. So both sides, iPhone and Apple. So yeah, let's do this. Wow. Oh, wow. So this is new because of the camera. They need to put it this piece. So let's put this on the side gently and focus on the phone. Wow. Look at this. Sharp, glossy. Oh, mate. Now, I didn't want to get it gold or white. I like the white because it's like frost white, but it has a chrome bezel, which I didn't like on the screen. So, and there's also the green one, which is nice, but I kind of prefer this. So, yeah. So, wow, this is so nice. So let's pull it out. Feels actually the same. If we come closer, hope my phone will focus. Yeah, that's really nice. This is why I always had iPhones. I never switched to anything else because I just love iPhone. Designed by Apple in California. So I guess you get everything standard here. So again, one hand problem. So you get your manuals here, you get the Apple stickers. You still do get the SIM tool and everything else, but I guess you're not interested in that really. So let's put that on the side. I like how it looks like the iPhone bezel. So, and inside, so you get the Apple AirPods, or whatever you call them, just classical. But I think these still come with the, I'm not gonna open it, I'm not gonna use them because I have my old ones. Actually, let me see if I can maybe just do this. Oh, it does come, why? It comes with the lightning, so, but, I mean, seriously? So, okay, let me show you this. So, these are my old ones. Now see, they come with a microphone jack. And you need to use this, which didn't came with the latest phone. I mean, last generation. And now they give you the lightning port. But, I mean, the new phone actually does have the lightning port. Wait, okay, so that's great. For a moment, I kind of mixed in my head the the new USB-C. So for the charging, you get the USB-C. It's not anymore a lightning connector. So let me see if I can pull this out. Yeah, you can see this is the USB-C. So I'm actually, and you get the lightning. So yeah, so I'm not going to be using this because I have an old Mac. So as you can see, well, you can, but USB-A. So until I get a new one, I'm not going to be using this, but I have like 1 meter, actually 2 meters. So it's not a problem. It's not a deal breaker for me. And then now, this is European, I'm in Croatia, so you get the fast charging adapter finally. Now, it just happens that I have a American one. So this is the American one. This is the USB-A. And let me just pause here and show you the European normal version, not the fast charger. Okay, so this is the European version. Now, as you can see, you get, before you had the USB-A, and the other end is lightning. So this is my 2 meter cable. So as you can see here, now I'm gonna toss that on the side. Now, honestly, I wish they gave, in the last model, the fast charger instead of this, because this is nice, this is portable, and compare it to the US version, I don't know. This is smaller, but I don't know, I think I prefer this. Now there's different, voltages. That's why US has lower power, Europe has stronger power. So, but yeah, that's the the chargers. And this is like, let me just put it here. So I don't know if this is plastic. Yeah, this is plastic cover. But yeah, you can see the difference in size and how it looked. US old. So this is, excuse me for the shake. So this is USB-A. This is USB-C. So I think that's it. That's everything that you get in the box. Now this is feels like some sort of plastic. I like all the shapes inside. So I'm gonna be not using this at the moment. I'm gonna put it back in the box. But there you go. Now, just to compare it with the previous generation, for maybe those of you who are interested, I'm just gonna put it like that. I'm just gonna put the phone on the side. I'm gonna turn it on later. And so this is the previous, the iPhone XS. As you can see, also 250. There's a white box. I kind of like the black box. It looks, I don't know, more powerful. Now, the problem with this plastic is you can keep the plastic and you can put it back on, and then it looks like it was not opened. But yeah, you should have in mind. And just to show you the box, like side by side, don't have that much space on the. So the papers are pretty much the same. This is a wrap from the last phone. And as you can see, I haven't used my charger. Like, literally, it's brand new. It's even in the plastic. So I haven't used it because neither did I use my headphones, because I just used my old one. I neither did see the cable. So previous versus new generation. And let me just open this because, wait, what? I didn't know this. I feel stupid now. I didn't unbox this because I saw other reviews saying that that you need the dongle. Oh, I feel so stupid now. Wow. That's I wouldn't be using my old headphones if I knew this. Well, that's it. I hope you like this. So yeah, why the phone isn't charging? I don't know, I guess maybe it was staying too long in the So actually I do need my USB. I'm a little confused here. I'm overwhelmed, to be honest. So yeah, it's a bummer. So now I have to use this because it does have USB-A to charge it. Yeah. No, actually USB-C. See, I'm all confused. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone and see. I'm gonna turn it on for you. Okay, so I got confused a little bit. I mean, I can use the old USB-A and the Lightning. I don't need to use USB-C until I get my new Mac. So I guess the phone, I turned on, of course, but I guess it was just too long off. It does come with a charged battery, but you know, it's even says like, I don't know, it's half. I mean, it doesn't work now. Okay, so the moment of the truth is removing the plastic. So I'm pointing the camera, actually watching for myself. Oh yeah, before I do that, there's just Apple Incorporated, only one Apple Park away. So that's the address of the Apple. But yeah, it does have the plastic on the side antennas, on the top as well. But yeah, let's unwrap this plastic. Oh yeah. So front piece is in one, and then this is the phone. It's a little bit dark, I know, but no, I don't think it's heavier, to be honest. I use on my old, you can see it in the reflection, like really transparent, thin mask. Now this one, so this side didn't came with the plastic cover. Huh, I didn't notice that because I haven't removed it. So it looks so good. Oh, I guess because you have protection in the other side. So this is it. So you have the volume switch still, which is perfect, especially you can feel it through your jeans maybe, and just, you know, flip it over. So yeah, now I'm filming with my iPhone, so I'm gonna choose English. I know I'm in Croatia, but I never use Croatian. I'm just used to English. And as I said, my region to Croatia, but where's Croatia? There it is, Croatia. And that's setting up the language. Now I'm gonna bring my phone nearby, but I need to turn off the camera so it can, you know, pair and connect. I mean, transfer all of my data to this one. But anyway, before I do that, again, just side by side boxes. It's a little bit different. This is round. This was square, and then you had all this information, which is pretty much the same, and then it's a little bit different orientation. I mean, the box is, yeah, this is the top and this is the top. So yeah, same headphones, but different charging cables. So USB-C, USB-A, this one's smaller, this one's fast charger. And you get the both with the lighting connector, which first reviews, I can swear I was watching for the iPhone 11, this is the 11 Pro for the XS, that they didn't have the normal, they have the headphone jack, but I guess maybe they've changed that, or maybe my memory doesn't serve me well, I don't know. A little bit confused. Okay, I'm shooting on the new iPhone. I can see some changes, but just to tell you, I can manage to repack this box. It looks like it's not even opened. But this is my XS. Sorry, I turned off the lights. But you can see it's in a good condition, and I'm going to be selling this one. I use this transparent case, but it oxidized on the air. It goes yellow. It was transparent. Now, I like this because it's pretty good. I have like minor scratch somewhere, I think I noticed. But besides that, it was perfect. And this is lightweight, so other cases are just too bulky for me, and the phone is heavy, and that's not the point of the case. So, yeah, but now the best thing is this is the zoom standard, this is the normal, and now I have this. Look at this, look at all this space I can use for all of my car reviews. It's just a huge improvement. I don't need to really back up a lot because there's just more stuff you can see. Like, this is amazing. And what's also amazing is the new front-facing camera is 4K now. If you want to see the GoPro 8, it's going to be linked. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.